You've probably heard of dropshipping, a simple business model that's incredibly rewarding. Currently, there's a significant economic shift underway. However, what worked in the past might not apply today, and today's strategies could evolve tomorrow. This is a pivotal moment, and seizing this opportunity is crucial before it fades. I'm here to provide you with a clear roadmap. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this newbie tutorial series, we're here to guide you through every step of your dropshipping journey. If you're eager to learn and succeed in dropshipping, you're definitely in the right place. In today's video, we'll dive into what dropshipping is, why it's such a promising business model in 2024, its advantages and challenges, and some powerful tools that can help you streamline your dropshipping operations. So, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Let's get started. What exactly is dropshipping? Well, dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell products online without ever having to handle the inventory yourself. Here's how it works. Imagine you have an online store. A customer visits your store and buys a product. Instead of you having to stock that product, you forward the order to a supplier, who then ships the product directly to your customer. You make a profit from the difference between the wholesale price and the retail price. This means you don't need a warehouse, and you don't have to worry about managing stock or shipping products.
No.
Sounds easy, right? That's because it is. It's straightforward, freeing up ample time for you to reinvest in your business, scale it further, increase revenue, and foster continuous growth. Now, dropshipping has been around for a while, and it's not going to go anywhere. You might be wondering, is dropshipping still a viable business model in 2024? The answer is a resounding yes! Absolutely! According to Globe Newswire, the global dropshipping market is set to skyrocket to $591.77 billion by 2027, fueled by the surge in online shopping and the demand for seamless customer experiences. This growth trend signifies a tremendous opportunity for anyone considering starting a dropshipping venture. The current landscape offers unprecedented potential for newcomers. Google Trends data confirms that interest in dropshipping is steadily increasing each year, underscoring its enduring appeal. So again, if you've been thinking about starting a dropshipping business, now is the perfect time to jump in. Now, a couple of benefits that come with the dropshipping business model. 1. Low startup costs. Dropshipping eliminates the need for substantial upfront investments. You bypass expenses on inventory, warehouses, and packaging materials that traditional businesses require. You can even start with $0, and I'm going to show you everything in this series video. All you need is a functional website to showcase your products and start selling. This minimal financial barrier allows you to allocate resources toward marketing and customer acquisition strategies right from the start. 2. Easy to start. Platforms like Shopify, eBay, and Amazon simplify the process of launching an online store. They provide intuitive interfaces and robust tools that streamline product listing, payment processing, and order management. With user-friendly dashboards and customizable templates, setting up your store becomes straightforward, even for beginners with minimal technical expertise. 3. Flexibility. The beauty of dropshipping lies in its flexibility. You have the freedom to manage your business from anywhere with an internet connection, whether you prefer working from home, bustling coffee shop, or while traveling abroad, your store remains operational. This flexibility not only enhances work-life balance, but also enables you to seize opportunities regardless of your physical location. 4. Scalability. One of dropshipping's most appealing aspects is its scalability. As your sales volume grows, you can effortlessly expand your product offerings and customer base without the logistical complexities of traditional retail. Adding new products is seamless. You simply list them on your website and coordinate with suppliers to fulfill orders. This scalability allows you to capitalize on market trends and customer preferences swiftly, ensuring your business remains agile and competitive. Of course, like any business model, dropshipping has its challenges. Here are a few you might face. 1. Low profit margins. Since you're selling products you don't own, your profit margins might be lower compared to other business models. But by choosing the right products and suppliers, you can still make a significant profit. 2. Supplier issues. Not all suppliers are reliable. It's crucial to work with trusted suppliers to avoid issues with stock, shipping, and quality. 3. Branding difficulties. It can be hard to build a brand when you don't control the product or packaging. However, there are ways to overcome this, such as using custom packaging and branding your store effectively. Alright, so we've covered the ups and downs of dropshipping. It's evident that while it offers significant advantages, it also presents challenges that require careful management. For newcomers, leveraging tools can save considerable time and effort in navigating these complexities. This is where a platform like Doba comes into play. Doba is an amazing dropshipping platform that connects you with top-quality suppliers. With Doba, you can easily find and list products in your online store without the usual hassle of vetting suppliers and managing inventory. Furthermore, Doba's integration capabilities with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, eBay, and Amazon simplify inventory management and order fulfillment. This integration not only enhances operational efficiency, but also ensures faster shipping times and improved customer satisfaction. With features like automated order processing and real-time inventory updates, Doba empowers retailers to focus on business growth while maintaining a competitive edge in the dynamic e-commerce landscape. Plus, here's the kicker. Doba offers a 14-day free trial. That means you can test drive the platform and see if it's a perfect match for your business, all without spending a dime up front. Want to give it a shot? Drop us a comment with Dropshipping Simplified below, and we'll send you the link to start your free trial. Alright, that's it for today's video. We've covered what dropshipping is, its benefits and challenges, and how tools can help you start and grow your dropshipping business. If you're ready to take the plunge, I highly recommend giving Doba a try. Don't forget to drop us a comment to get a 14-day free trial so there's no risk in checking it out. In our next video, we'll dive into the step-by-step process of setting up your first dropshipping store, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy dropshipping!